Welcome to Hey Dr. Sue. So people submit their sex questions to me anonymously, and once a week I post one question and one answer. Do you have a sex question you've always wanted answered? Go ahead and check out the description for information on how to submit it anonymously. This week's question is, why don't girls say what they want? Here's the short answer. They're not taught to. Women are taught that being forthright and asking for what they want makes them a bitch, and that they should sit back and let others make decisions. Women are taught to go along, to get along, and that way of thinking doesn't leave space for giving voice to what they want. Now, let me back this up a bit, because I'm sure people are getting a little frustrated with what I'm saying. This idea that women should be silent, that they're taught not to speak loudly and ask for what they want, well, that isn't true for all women. Really, I should say that some women are taught that. And on the flip side, some women are taught that they should use their voice and they should unashamedly ask for what they want. So much of what we learn about communication is based on our gender and then the rules and the roles that society assigns to that gender. In this country, we tend to teach women that they should be silent and not make waves, that they should be submissive. Sound old-fashioned, like it comes straight out of the 1950s and not something we teach girls and women in the 21st century? Well, in my college classes, I asked people to identify what they're expected to do and how they're expected to act based on their gender. In 2021, the women included things like be polite and be gentle. That way of thinking doesn't leave room for asking for what you want. The good news is that we can change these societal rules. We continue to see women stepping into roles of power and leadership. Teen Vogue put out a great article that I'm going to put the link to in the description on what it means to be a woman, and that will help teach future generations that they have the right to use their voice and ask for what they want. But change is hard and everyone needs to play a role. I'm speaking can't be a punchline. We can't call women names when they say things we don't like, and we need to stop targeting women for using a tone we don't like when really we're bothered by what they're saying or even the fact that they're speaking. If we want women to ask what they want, then we need to make sure they live in a world where they can do that. Did you enjoy that video? If so, make sure to like it. Also, make sure to subscribe. It lets you know when new videos are coming out and it helps to support the channel. Check out the description for information on how to find me on Instagram and Medium.